does he do about that?
Play the fight like it's supposed to be played out, I think.
Okay. Come back in Legion when I have that health. What do you mean?
Yeah, that.
I fucked up this pull. I didn't pre-pull.
What do you mean? Don't tell me you're in wrong gear on the right.
Move starting.
No, I just didn't equip the gear.
It's fine.
It's a mastery proc on my trinket.
All right. DP. This funny button, this funny button. Right. Aura mastery.
Did you move to your left a bit?
Swapping the
Make
Hula.
one.
Nice. Paladin time.
I'm
Next
on
shot.
Hula now. Yep.
Starting to be close.
I'm close enough.
Cool.
I'm inside all these fuckers.
Yeah, I just couldn't see you, mate. Cool.
Link is
Down.
coming up. Starting on Matron.
Matron, you got it.
I've got torment.
Enjoy.
Okay. Shoot, you're gonna have to come with
See
me
Inferno played?
after.
Oh, I can fill in.
Petty's gonna have to.
I can fill in.
Okay, Petty, take off me, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Go.
Let me know when you need me, pal.
Well, when you see my health dipping below 50, I'll start running.
Okay.
Which is now. Might only be one stack, but I'm not taking risk.
Mm-hmm.
Next shot.
On top of me. You didn't get spread, did you?
Nope.
Nice.
No, you need to be in melee range to spread.
Mine's
It's pretty
next.
close.
Next link, Kaiser Matron.
You have to touch.
Running away.
He doesn't have it anyway, so.
I did.
Does he mason?
No, you didn't.
It dropped off.
Decent.
Literally, you must have just dropped off then.
I got it.
Fucking hate this boss.
There's AMS. AMS blocked most of that.
I made watch out.
Okay, I can take this next one.
I can take it after you, Pale.
Nice.
I'm
It's-
3
it's
Okay,
like-
Paladins, watch out.
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna back out of this one, Matron, right?
Yeah, no problems.
I'm gonna back up to the
Countdown
right.
coming up.
I'm out.
I've got the countdowns coming
Then
up.
can you go to the right a little bit?
I got commented.
Juicy, don't come directly behind me. I need to
Yeah.
leave.
It's Desi Mason again.
Oh.
I can't help you anyway with healing. I don't know the name.
Should be
Mine
fine.
got
Fine.
I'm
French.
prepared.
Grab the next one.
Yeah.
And then
Oh,
On
cool.
the right
Pell, you have
starting.
to take over from Stein.
I've got 30
Oh,
seconds.
no, Pell,
Okay.
Pelly.
I'm
Yeah,
here.
okay.
Stein time, try to
It's-
take it as long as possible to like
Okay.
12.
I
And then
will.
pop some cooldowns. And then Pelly, you need to finish it with 14.
Yep.
I can take back over if he doesn't go.
No,
Just
sorry.
reset the cooldowns.
I'm at 13, 14. I took 14.
Go.
Countdown coming up.
Okay. Yes, light swap now.
Oh, that was a waste of one.
I can take this next one. Paladins, watch out.
Yep, go for it.
Yeah, I'm taking straight
Yeah,
after
we should
you.
be fully reset now. So just chill.
Billy, do you still have bubble? Can you use it?
Yep.
After this blade, I want sec.
Just move through
Okay.
the Pale, yeah?
I'm out.
I'm going
Actually,
directly
help a
behind
lot.
Is that
Mine's
refresh
dropped
in
off.
Pell, yeah?
you.
Yes.
Just eat the DPS lost, Juicy.
Awesome, dude.
It's
I
fine.
can
it's fine.
start next
I
one.
need healing.
On
I'll
top of
start.
his right
I got
leg.
it. I got
Oh,
it.
you got it. You got it. Okay.
Countdown coming up.
Delay this. It's cool down. I can delay this.
Oh,
I'm
shit.
dying. And it's
Oh.
Desi Mason. Thank you.
You got to
So
touch.
I'm helping with you
That'll
here,
be fine.
Sly.
I have popped the
Yeah, I'm
dodge
helping.
trinket. I'm parrying again everything. AMS is popped. Heal.
Okay.
Good.
I can take this next one.
I've got 30
Someone's gonna have
seconds
to-
on torment.
yeah.
Someone has to step in.
I can take
5.
over.
Shooty, you'll
Come
take
back.
over. Then maybe Pelly might need to bounce in.
Okay, I've got this.
I'll go after Pale.
If there's a paladin who can bubble sack,
Okay.
do it.
It's fine. Pelly will go after me.
So I might be dead. Yeah, I'm dead.
Back,
Get him up quickly. Get him up quickly.
He's up.
I'm gonna take the boss this way.
Make sure you heal up. Is it
I
shooting?
don't know what
no.
that like.
Yep,
No,
just
it's
blink through,
me.
blink through. You're fine. You're fine.
Oh, I'm dead again.
I'm tormented.
Don't have
Matron,
anything.
you just killed us.
I'm sorry, I had nothing. I'd already used blink
Oh,
to get out.
wait. Who was that fucking like boosted through the melee?
Me.
Yeah, you just killed us. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't ever do
had
that.
had no other option.
You have
You
8
should just let
seconds
yourself
to go
die.
around.
Yeah, it's not that long. If you need to, run through the tank because you didn't have torment.
Oh god.
I
that's
If you're
horrible.
safe, just run through tank.
No, I think you did a torment. That's why.
He did have
I didn't have
torment.
torment.
No,
That's why.
I don't
did
think
it.
he did.
I
He got torment as he ran through the melee because he started off safe, but he grabbed it as he ran through and then spread it for everyone.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah.
You just got the chain reaction in melee.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
But if you start off safe, just run through the tank. There's no downside to it if you've not got torment. Just stay away from the melee as much as possible.
Where did you go there anyway?
He got
I-
countdown with me.
Yeah. Really bad timing.
Oh, you have 12 seconds. It's fine.
What is this?
Don't stress, guys. Don't stress. Come on, stay calm.
That was very close.
Yeah, we got
We have it this one.
It was very cool to see the chain reaction. In all fairness,
It was
I've
instant.
never seen that happen before in my life.
that was very cool.
I mean, to be
You
fair,
know
though,
when
I
someone
think-
yawns and then another person yawns? That's what she just did to us.
Oh wow, I got Inferno striked for 5 million.
to be fair though, Kula also died to melee before that.
Yeah.
Completely unrelated. So it was already like
It
I
was
don't know
already
if you would have
kinda
killed it in time.
Man, I knew I was gonna
Yeah.
die. That's why I was gonna ask for some kind of cooldown. Because there's no way I lived that. Like,
I
if it
think
gets that late
I
into the
need
fight,
to
I
make-
start needing externals a lot or
I
something.
need to make a bubble.
Is it
Bubble
better?
macro
Someone make
or
a macro
something.
first starting.
Someone
No,
make
no,
another macro. Because
Hell matron shooty.
Well, I
Is it better
target
to go
the
hell
one
shooty
who,
matron?
Right. Can we all
Yeah.
just like go and speak in like
In
in turns?
turns, please. Yeah.
What did you say, sorry, Nightmate?
Someone was first anyway, but it was just the order of like your soak. Because there was a few times when shooty was just a bit out of range, and when matron moves, it just clips Pell.
Yeah, I could just move more for it. I just don't want to spread it to anyone else. is
Yeah, I
the
just don't
issue.
want you to have it refresh as all.
Yeah.
If that's the case, then
I'll move
I'll
further.
just. If it's too much of an issue, I'll just go into melee when it
Yeah, just
happens.
take the DPS
I'll just take the DPS.
I'm trying
it's
to-
not a problem.
I am trying to bait the thing as much as I can, like as far out. So if you do have to come in, you don't end up just
Yeah.
gimping the DPS. But it doesn't always go on me.
No, it's just when I feel like it needs it, I'll just go into the melee and take the DPS. It's fine.
Isn't it sack then bubble?
It's safer right now to bubble than sack.
Okay.
yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter.
I just
I
want you
don't-
to.
I just don't know.
I just want you to tell, like the one time I sacked without a bubble, I died. I'm a tank.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I get hit for like 500k or something.
Yeah,
Better
you're
melee,
taking,
so,
you're
like-
taking 30% of that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
Slash target. Exactly, macro is safer.
Like if you need to time it, you need to time it like right after a melee.
Do I press?
In
Do I have
that
to
ca-
press the macro twice or once?
Three times.
3
One for
times,
target,
okay.
one for divine shield, one for sacrifice.
Okay.
Or it should do target and shield in one. But
Yeah.
right, just press the 3 to make sure.
Okay, yeah, I will.
just
Where
make
is
sure you don't
bubble
all
set?
press it. Like, Pelican go
At the
first
same
when
time,
ask
yeah.
for it.
Call out who
And
you want
then-
it from.
Okay, that makes sense as well. I
Just say your names.
I mean, yeah.
I've
Probably
just
everyone
looked-
else before Sly, because Sly has stuff to do.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
That was so unlucky.
Or
with the
if
sack
not,
there, though.
slice
Yeah,
first.
sorry, guys.
If you,
Yeah.
you can do it the other way around, you can do sack first,
You know what?
but you need to do it right
Fuck
after a
off.
melee.
Mhm. Yeah.
If I
As I
pre-pod,
mentioned,
we would have killed
Kula
it.
died as
Trust.
well at the same time.
No, that's on me. That guy.
Nah. Look,
Right.
guys, you remember that one time we did Nefarian and we were on to like 1%? Then we just cleaned it up and he died. Yeah, we just do that again.
Everyone is ready. Let's go.
We press army.
Get me to click my macro.
We press this. We press
Macro.
horn and we found.
On the left.
Right, 10 stacks. 15 stacks. And our mastery, please. Thank you.
Swapping now.
Paladin time.
The striking doesn't work for that. Annoying.
Down coming up.
Link, Kaiser and
Come
Stone.
on, rocket boots.
Okay, got this
It's
first
Dizzy
one.
Mason.
Wait, I'm right here, Pale, yeah?
Yeah.
Right there. You.
Sorry, let's go here.
And again.
Uh,
One more
That's the
time.
last thing, right?
Yep.
So I have tormentors. That was scary.
Mine's gone.
okay, I'm moving away from you guys.
Shard.
Starting
In the
start.
middle of melee. You gonna have to take over, bro?
I just needed a couple extra seconds that time. Okay,
Okay.
Okay,
That's
he's not
pretty cool.
okay.
I'll take over. I'll take over.
cool.
I
It's
could have just
Inferno this
taken. I
time.
could have just taken more of it.
After
That's
ingot.
That's fine.
Play safe.
Okay, mine have reset.
You're okay, Pale, yeah?
Yeah, I'm good. Wherever it goes, it goes.
Next shard.
So
Yeah.
right on top of me.
Convenient.
Starting,
If
can you
you
move
can
over to the
wrap
right
to the left now, I'll move
The
over.
right.
so I don't spread to you?
Countdown in
Yes.
4.
I'm
Yours,
nearby on
matron?
backup. If needed.
Oh shit.
It's Inferno played
Inferno.
again. I only have AMS, but it's
Thank
okay
you.
fine.
Or
Okay,
DSAC.
Paddy, you might need to take over from me in the next
Mine's
order.
dropped, so I could
In
take.
the next one? Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it. I got it.
Nice.
Okay, Stone starting, then Paley.
Swap now, slow.
You need to move. Starting.
Like, can you sack me?
I'm moved.
Countdown coming up.
I don't know if I got it.
Link. Pale and Kaiser.
I'm coming in
Got
for the
movement
shot.
speed.
Matron.
got
Dizzy
that.
Mason played.
Estimation.
Okay. You have that one. I'll take after
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
matron.
No problem. I'm gonna leave immediately so
And
you're
up.
behind you, Pale, yeah?
Yeah. Just whenever
Now.
you need to move.
Nice. One
Okay.
more.
Should we get ready?
And we should be good enough.
Oh,
Sorry.
that's fine.
I had to
Just-
innovate.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Okay,
Oh,
do
Pooh, can you bubble sack?
Yep, I can. Coming up.
Anyone? Yeah. That works.
Focus up.
Yep, it's fine.
I'll get after this.
Countdown
I'm
coming
back
up.
up, so if you need me.
Thank God.
No, I have a trinket. Be good ship.
Okay, take
Your
it.
how long on your stacks, Pale?
I'm good. I can
Okay.
take next.
15 seconds on IBF. If I can leave that long, then
Tell me if you need a bubble sack.
not yet.
So we've got 2 available, mate.
Do
Shard.
it now. Do it now. Snapping.
Okay.
Snap a pale, lovely.
I did it.
I'm gonna
Pale,
move
just
straight
move,
forward,
just
mate.
move right, yeah.
Public cards.
Yours. Might have been a bit early.
Shooty, you can move to the left. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry, Kai.
I mean, I
Does he
actually I need
Mason?
help. Everyone,
Mason?
heal
Big
healer,
healing
heal
time.
healer. Big
Heal
heal
healer,
on
keep
healer.
healing.
Focus him.
DPS is sacrifice.
Yep.
Next shard, let me soak. Where is it?
So me.
I have
Well,
tormented. Just keep
boss.
anything you've
I've
got.
fat fingered every cooldown I have.
Boss is dead.
Just dead.
Boss is dead. Well done.
Let's
Oh,
go.
Well done, lads.
Let's go.
Let's
Um,
fucking go, man.
I
Oh,
would not be
Oh,
confident
that-
calling that a clean fight, but it's a fight.
You're
what do you mean, was
joking,
it?
Kelly.
fucking protector hands. Fuck off, game.
He's not. He's,
Shield. What am I
Ellie.
seeing?
Hey,
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's not part of
whoa.
the script.
This
This is not part of the
insane.
script. Right,
We got
protect the
I've
hands.
not seen this
Dragon
one
Soul with
before.
that one.
Bro, right at the fucking end, it gives us the fucking link, and I give Kaiser the shit, man.
Nah, Kaiser saved
Oh,
himself so hard with that res on me. If you
I
got anyone
used-
else on you
yeah.
with that link,
I used a word of glory on Hula.
Actually, I read him. He dies, so he loses the stacks, and then it targets him with the countdown.
Spirit-
I think it actually might have been planned. It might have been
Spirit haste
scripted.
braces, intellect, leather.
Oh,
I mean,
Kaiser,
yeah, go
look,
on, I'll
You got
take
your
him.
abyss. That's your
Yeah, go
also
on,
kinda
six.
good, man.
Yeah, I mean, why not?
I mean, you rolled a 69.
Why
damn,
not?
you
I'll
can get it.
take them. You know?
I mean, yeah, if
Just
I
the
have to.
69.
They're my base. I'll take them if I have to.
I hate who are the 3 fights we've done new today, and I like to never do them again.
That's
Yeah,
Yeah,
Let's
I
set
love
up
this
next
is mine.
week.
This is mine.
That's Kelly. Lol.
Insane.
And
Shield.
he's got a shield.
Oh, holy shit.
I hate my life because this means my warrior is gonna go on a protection.
Once a tank, always a tank.
Is that a good shield? It's a pretty good shield.
Is it
How much
shield?
better is that shield?
Plus 500 armor. Plus
Have we
90. I
done
mean,
the
it's
achievement
like,
in this 10 man?
it's
no?
not. Eleanor is not that big, but the 2 sockets make a big difference.
Yeah, a lot of stamina. 30 socket bonus.
Jewel crafting.
Oh,
Guys,
maybe
is
just
it-
this.
Is it living seed that makes the funny sound when I get hit?
Maybe I've
The
never
fucking
been hit
wonder